8 years old. Child was found along Roosevelt Avenue near to the stadium police station. She was seen with a wound to her throat and rushed by the motorist who saw her to the Bustamante Hospital where she's still being treated as we speak. Following up on that, we made some contacts with the police at 100 Man Portmore. We were advised that this child was missing from the Brayton Primary School sometime earlier in the afternoon, and that subsequently we can't say how she ended up there, but that's what happened.
The parent of the 8-year-old girl who was abducted from school and her throat slashed on Thursday is making an urgent appeal for a donation of blood. The child is currently hospitalized and is said to be in critical condition. The girl, a student of Brayton Primary in Portmore St. Catherine, was taken from the institution in a motor car, transported to Vineyard Town in St. Andrew and thrown from the vehicle. Anyone willing to donate can do so at the National Blood Bank or any blood receivable location island-wide. The receipt of donation can be taken to the Bustamante Children's Hospital or any blood receivable location island-wide. A policeman has been rushed to the hospital after he was hit off his service motorcycle moments ago in downtown Kingston. Nationwide News understands that the policeman was hit by a motorist who ran a red light along King Street. His condition is considered very critical. A man was killed and a woman shot and injured while they worked at a house in Stony Hill, St. Andrew, Thursday afternoon. The dead man has been identified as 30-year-old Ricardo Johnson, otherwise called Lizard, a resident of Lacey District in Cavaliers, St. Andrew. The injured woman is 54 years old. It is reported that around 3:20 p.m. the two were working inside a concrete structure under repair when two men armed with handguns entered. Police said the men fired shots, hitting Johnson all over his upper body. The woman was hit in the left eye and the right side of her face. The gunmen then made their escape on foot in the area, the police said. Upon the arrival of the authorities, Johnson was seen motionless, lying in a pool of blood. The injured woman was assisted by a motorist to hospital where she was admitted in stable condition. No motive has been established for the attack.